Hello and welcome to the Peej Mark II. We're going to do a little bit of track work today, so let's get started. So, did a quick little mock-up of what I want the east yard siding to look like. Came up with this, looked pretty good. Should add some interesting operational aspect to it, just a small bit. Alright, let's get to it. Let's lay some track. For any of you that are wondering how I secure the track, keep it from slipping around, I use packing tape. Put one piece underneath with the sticky side up and have enough hanging out on both ends so I can put another piece down on both sides and it stays put, no problem. So yeah, that's how we do that. And do a little test, make sure everything's working right. That'll be a team track, I think. And this will be a siding for engine maintenance and refueling. Good work, lads. Let's call it a day. And that's all for me for now. See ya!